If you've been thinking about getting into the Airbnb business, or if you've been considering turning your property into a steady stream of passive income, let me tell you, this is your sign to take action. There's never been a better time to get started, and I found just the perfect resource to guide you through it all. The title of the book really says it all. Make money with Airbnb. And that's exactly what it teaches you how to do. This isn't just a book that glosses over the basics. It covers everything you need to know, from detailed step-by-step guidance to highly practical real-world strategies that you can implement from day one. What I found most impressive is how actionable the content is. You don't just read about the theory behind starting an Airbnb business. You actually get walked through the process of creating a solid business plan that's ready to launch. It's like having a mentor by your side, guiding you through each phase. By the time you finish reading, you'll feel fully equipped and confident to dive into the Airbnb world, no matter your level of experience. One of the things I personally loved most about this book is how easy it is to digest. The author breaks everything down into simple, manageable steps, and the book is filled with real life examples and case studies from people who have successfully followed these same strategies. You're not left guessing what to do. You get concrete, actionable advice that's ready to be implemented. On top of that, the author provides lists of the best tools, apps, and software you can use to manage and grow your Airbnb business efficiently. It's motivating, practical, and to the point. No fluff, just real value. So if you're serious about turning your property into a cash-generating asset, or if you've been dreaming about earning passive income through Airbnb but didn't know where to start, I highly recommend this book. It's the roadmap you've been waiting for. I can confidently say this is the book for you.